talagang dinamba, rinesling, andyan sa may hagdan. Pagkatapos niyan, binugbog naman yung ating security isa. Ano ba naman to? Tama ba to? Konting respeto naman.
Anong naging paliwanag ni Atty. Matibag, ni Director?
Ewan ko sa kanya, tanungin ninyo. Mainta ulo ko.
May caucus daw po kayo, sir? May caucus kayo?
Sorry?
May caucus daw po kayo ngayon?
Kakausapin daw yung ibang senador. Pero para sa akin, kailangan panindigan ng Senado ang aming karapatan, ang aming kalayaan bilang institusyon. Hindi ito tungkol kay Bato, kundi yung institusyon. Talagang binabastos na kami. Talagang naman babuyan na to. Sinusugod na yung mga kwarto ng Senado. Ano ba to? Take over ng NBI? Sino sila? Bureau lang yan.
Ma'am, sorry, live na po ulit sa DZWD. Ma'am, so insistent ma'am ang NBI na ma-serve yung warrant of arrest ng ICC?
Oo, pinagpipilitan nila. At ang nakakapagtaka, talagang sinasabi nila na hindi ko naman kaya silang pagalitan. Sabi nila nag-coordinate daw sila sa Senado. At hinayaan daw at kinumbida daw sila ng dating Senate President, pinakain pa doon sa kanyang opisina at inanyayahan na doon tumambay. Kaya medyo nasupalpal kami. Sabi namin, ba't kayo pumasok dito? Bawal pumasok dito. Nakipag-coordinate naman kami. Anong coordinate? Pinapasok kami. Inimbita kami. Nag-coordinate kami. Pinakain kami. Pinapasok pa kami dun sa mga opisina. Tumambay. Yun ang sabi sa amin. Yun ang sabi namin, okay, hindi na ganun ngayon. Pero, ang maliwanag, hinayaan sila at inanyayahan pang kumain.
Sir, when was this encounter po with the SP Soto? Yung kiniklaim po na pinakain pa raw po.
Totoo naman. Talaga naman. They were consulted kasi aarestohin daw nila si Bato ng 2 o'clock. So nag-antay sila before 2 o'clock. Pinakain sila. Yun ang pagkaintindi ko dun sa kwento ni Matibag.
And then ma'am, kinukuha din nila yung mga NBI agents na
yung mga kinomtempt, pilit nilang kinukuha. Tapos sabi namin, pwede ba i-clear muna to ng i-clear muna yung buong Senado, umalis, mag-withdraw muna kayo dito. Andito, umaasta yung mga NBI, kompleto yung long arms, nagla-lockdown. Binubuksan yung mga sasakyan ng mga empleyadong papasok, pati yung papalabas. Ano ba ito? Dapat, ang una, mag-withdraw muna sila. Umalis muna sila rito kasi bago na ang liderato rito, hindi na kami kinonsulta. Ibang usapan na ngayon.
Anong naging agreement po, ma'am?
Ha?
Ano pong naging pinagtapos?
Oo daw, pero nagkakalat pa rin yung NBI. Andyan, nakikita ako pa eh.
Ma'am, nag-confirm na yung ICI na talagang ICC. Sorry.
Wala.
Na there's actually a warrant of arrest.
Sinabi nila? Hindi ko alam. Oo, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin hanggang hindi natin nakikita. Alam natin may proseso yan. Ako nag-imbestiga doon sa pagka-kidnap ni Presidente Duterte. ICC, wala namang enforcement arm yan, dadaan sa Interpol. Yung Interpol, tatawagan yung PCTC, yung ating transnational crime. Kailangan na yung ICC warrant dalhin sa korte na Pilipino dahil hihingi muna sila ng Filipino warrant of arrest for enforcement of judgment, foreign judgment. Hindi basta-bastang papasok yan at dadamputin yung isang Pilipino. Bayan natin to eh. Tapos pagkukunin yung mga Pilipino ng basta. Tama ba yun?
Ma'am, na-impeach na po si BP Sara. So paano po, bagong liderato ng Senado, magkukundin ba ang Senado bilang impeachment court?
Tingnan natin. Bukas, di ba?
Apo.
Malamang bukas darating yung impeachment. Mag-uusap kami kung anong dapat gawin.
Pero ano po para sa inyo, ma'am? Para sa inyo po, ma'am, ano?
Well, tutuparin ng bawat senador ang kanilang mga responsibilidad ayon sa saligang batas at iba pang batas.
So ma'am, that means magkukundin kayo sa impeachment court pag natanggap po yung articles?
Yes, titignan namin ang maigi.
Salamat po, ma'am.
Sorry?
transmit
Sorry?
articles of impeachment. Hindi po kayo nila-transmit. Walang ganong communication.
Wala naman natatanggap.
So tomorrow na ba?
Bukas na ko alam.
Hintayin niyo po.
Hindi, hintayin namin na umalis yung NBI.
Gulo kung nagkita na si Senator Bato kung mag-station dito.
Hindi ko alam kung anong plano niya. Pero talagang naaawa ako kay Senator Bato, hindi tama itong ginagawa na linalapastangan ng isang senador.
Si Senator Bato, supposedly nasa ano po, SP?
We're working on it. So we're sorting out issues with the NBI. Tatlong issue, no? The manner and the way that yung warrant was executed. So basically, sinasabi nila, may coordination sila sa former SP at pinapasok sila But of course, we're saying, kahit pinapasok kayo, hindi para makipaghabulan sa loob ng Senate. The second issue nga is yung contempt, that the Senate has to stand up for itself. And dapat ma-hold in contempt. Ang pinag-uusapan lang, saan i-hold, considering na siyam sila at medyo fully booked din tayo. And then number 3, apparently iba yung report sa kanila, kasi ang report sa kanila, yung USAA daw ang brusko, rather than yung taga-USAA na bugbog. So we're talking about fact-finding regarding that. So the senators are talking now. So as I said kanina, di ba, napaka-importante na level-headed tayong lahat, pero napaka-importante na klaro na wag niyong paglaruan yung Senado. I mean, you know, this is not tabing kanto na, you know, will make excuses and
May sinabi po ba sila?
no, they're held in contempt, so it's a matter of saan siya they will pull out the NBI, but I'm sure that they have to report to their higher ups regarding the if they will continue to serve or they will follow our suggestion, which is to get a warrant of arrest from a Philippine court.
Ayun, so ibig sabihin po, pero insistent ba sir yung NBI na makuha
Hindi,
si Senator
maganda
Bato?
naman yung usapan, pero may kasama ko si Senator Amy, Senator Mercoleta, Senator Villar, Senator Pia. May iba't ibang opinion talaga kaya humahaba That's why we have to decide ano yung mga ibibigay sa Committee on Rules and Committee on Public Order at alin yung i-decide tonight. Kasi nga, as you know, bumoto na yung House kanina.
What's
So
the NBI stand on the arrest for Senator Bato?
That they were allowed daw to come into the Senate and allowed to arrest him here
By whom, sir?
by Senator Soto.
So, and your decision, and what did you insist?
I told him we have Senate Resolution 44 and I told him ang stand namin is you have to get a court order, an arrest order from a Philippine court,
Okay.
and you have to allow Bato to exhaust his legal remedies. And after exhausting all of that, only then will we convince him to surrender.
And they will abide by that?
We're in the process of talking about that.
So may
But
standoff.
even if he says yes now, I am sure he has to report to his higher ups.
So there's a standoff.
Hindi pa naman kasi sabi nila they're willing to pull out tonight. So that doesn't mean they won't be back tomorrow.
If
So they will pull out tonight, si Senator Bato stays in the building.
Nag-uusap pa kami ni Senator Bato kung saan siya mas safe. Kasi nga kung dati speculation lang na baka habulin or hanapin siya. Ngayon, it's very clear.
If they pull out tonight, lilift niyo yung lockdown? Or naka-lockdown?
No, yung lockdown was only to prevent, actually, it's really just asking people not to leave para ma-identify natin. May picture nga pinakita sa akin Senator Villanueva na nagtanggal ng polo yung isang NBI agent para nga hindi siya makilala.
But if
Pero
we're still on a
identified na po
lockdown.
ba? Identified na yung...
Nag-uusap na, so I have to thank the Chief PNP kasi pinadala niya kaagad si General Aberin, the head of NCRPO, to help us. So I put everyone in one room. So nandyan ngayon yung USAA, nandyan si General Aberin, nandyan po si Director.
So yung ilan sir?
Siyam daw,
Siyam. So yung siyam na yun ay nasa holding room na po.
Nandito pa sa loob ng Senate pero wala pa sa holding room.
Cited
Kasi
in
wala nga
contempt.
tayong holding room.
Cited in contempt na sila?
Hindi, basta ang sabi ni USAA, hindi sila nakakalabas pa. So that's what I'm taking care of right now.
Pero...
They're held in contempt. So our question only is where we will detain them.
okay.
So I'll report that back to you in a few minutes.
So practically detained na sir, detained na. Detained na.
Unless may nakalabas na.
Sir, so
Kasi
ongoing pa
na-identify pa
meeting
na.
with Matibag?
Yes.
Sir, may commotion
Sir,
na
sir,
sa
ongoing
pa yung meeting, sir?
With,
Matibag, kunti.
okay.
Ongoing pa meeting, sir,
May meeting
with
pa.
Yes. So inside the room is Director Matibag, General Aberin, and ang ating USAA. Then standby din yung Secretariat for the
And what's there is they insisting to arrest Senator Bato? Tama?
Hindi.
They're allowed to arrest.
To-
Yun yung sinasabi nila.
No. So, three issues. Issue number 1, warrant of arrest. Dalawa issue namin. 1, bakit sa loob ng Senate? 2, the manner. So, nag-explain sila but they will put it in writing. Na they coordinated daw at pinayagan daw sila ng dating leadership. Pero sabi ko, kahit pinayagan kayo sa loob ng Senate, hindi man siguro kayo pinayagan makipaghabulan. So, yun yung ongoing.
So assured na walang arestuhan by tonight? Assured na walang
More or less, I just have to seal yung usapan. Okay. Number 2
Okay.
is that we explain that iba yung criminal, iba yung administrative. They can defend themselves na ini-issue na lang nila yung warrant. But from our point of view, pinipigilan nila siya mag-attend. And that's contempt. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng, hiwalay pa dyan yung, yung nasa revised penal code na yung parliamentary immunity or whatever other crime. Ang point namin, we're holding you contempt kasi pwede naman kayo umakyat eh. Pwede naman kayo magsabi sa SecGen, sa USAA na may inaaresto kayo. Hindi, nakipaghabulan kayo eh. Diba? Ang sinasabi nila, hindi naman sa session hall. Sabi namin, anywhere inside the Senate, it's the same. Pangatlong issue nga, that whoever ng bugbog, there's no place for that. They have to be punished. Doon naman agree kami pareho. Fact-finding na.
Sir, hihingan nyo ba ng paliwanag o hihingan nyo ng paliwanag si former Senate President Soto for allowing them to stay here?
It's fact-finding pa lang naman. And it's all in the open. I mean, yun din naman ang sinabi nung dating USAA. Binasa ko naman kanina. So, kaya nga ang sinabi ko yung director, I don't want to be in between the he said, she said, he said, he said, he said, he said. So that's why isusulat na lang niya. That's why I'm also giving instructions sa sumulat.
Pero hihingan pa rin ng paliwanag si Senator Soto?
It's up to him. Diba? Kasi we're still fact-finding. But I am sure, hindi niya pinayagan makipag-habulan. Kung pinayagan niya na pumasok at dito mag-arrest, that's a separate issue. Any of the senators can confront him with that issue. Kasi that never happened before.
Sir, pag hindi siya umalis ng NBI, sir, mag-stay din ba ang senators dito sa Senate?
I think we will find a solution. We have to find a solution. As I said, we're into 2 or 3 crises sabay-sabay, di ba? Sooner or later, dadating dito yung articles of impeachment. Do you want na ang pinag-uusapan pa rin natin si Sen Bato? Number 2, hindi ramdam ng lahat, but the delay in resolving the problem in Iran, Israel, and the U.S. conflict with Iran will continue to drive up prices. Diba? So it needs our immediate attention. I was reminded by the senators now, we have to fill up the committees.
And then, sir, yung articles of impeachment, iakit pa bukas? So,
I don't know.
Up to tonight?
Ang trabaho lang namin is to receive it and then to act for
Pero
it.
may commitment po na
So far, wala pang nagsasabi sa akin na may communication.
Pero kung matanggap po dito, definitely magko-convene kayo as impeachment court?
We were talking already with the minority. I told them, lahat na tayo magbasa ng rules. Kasi mayroong nag-opinion na kailangan muna ipasa yung rules. May nag-opinion ng dati naman, sinunod lang yung dating rules. So, yun ang meeting ko after matapos.
Pero definitely magko-convene as impeachment court. Pero definitely magko-convene as impeachment court. Pag natanggap yung article, sir.
We will follow the, there will be no delay. So the question is lang, what are the administrative processes that we have to do?
So that's a yes.
Even Senator Soto said, convene, pero hindi ibig sabihin trial kagad. Magkaiba yon kasi may mga kailangan i-issue. Okay?
Okay naman. Thank you. Thank you. Just be quick lang. Kasi sinara po yung gate. So, ibig sabihin po ba, na isa kayo sa sasakyan yung siyam? Nasa vehicle po ba sa'yo? Dapat within the gate o within the building talaga?
Sino?
Kasi po sa ngayon po nakasara po yung gate.
Yes, because we haven't resolved saan sila i-custody. And once makalabas sila, tapos sabihin namin dito, Pasay City Jail, hahabulin pa namin. That's why we're trying to resolve it with level heads. Pero may emosyon talaga.
But they are not inside the NBI vehicles.
Yung
Yung siyam, yun na-contempt. Narito po ba sa building o naisakay po nila?
ang sabi lang sa akin ni Osaan, nandito pa. Pero in-identify pa daw nila lahat.
Okay. Thank you, Thank you.
Thank you.
Paglabas niyo ulit.